Hi, welcome back to my Learning Hadoop video series. In my first video, I have shown how to install Linux, that is CentOS, on VMware Player, okay, as a VM. So just to recap that, I have a Windows 7 laptop and I have installed VMware Player on that, and on VMware Player I have installed CentOS. Okay, here it is. You can see this is running VM, CentOS VM running on Windows 7. And what I'm going to show in this video is just download Java from Oracle and install on this virtual machine. Okay, let's go forward and install Java on it. What I'm going to do is just directly I'll Oracle Java download. Okay, going to download Java 6, and here it is, development kit. I accept the license, and I need this one, 64-bit. Okay, and here if you have a username, you just give that and start downloading. If you don't have, just sign up for a free Oracle web account and you can download after that. Okay, so just I'm going to show. Okay, so here you see I have given my username and password. After that, this showing just this is popped up, and you save the file. Once you save the file, okay, here it is downloading. And this is going to download into, okay, here you can just browse your files. Okay, file system, you can just, okay, HD user having, okay, logged in, and you can see the download folders here. Okay, it's not yet finished. Okay, it's complete now. So what I'm going to do is say this. Okay, here it is. We are here, and see, we go to downloads, and if you see, this one as well. Okay, so okay, this is not executable. If you can see this is not executable yet. So what I'm going to do is make it executable. Okay, now you see this is executable. Now I can directly execute this binary file to install Java. So run this JDK file and just run it. Okay, you can see this is going to create my JDK folder. Okay, here it is. It is just installed on JDK 1.6. This is the folder. It is just got created. Okay, so you can see you just download it, and okay, it's just got installed here. So what I'm going to do is just, because if I installed it here, this is going to work for me only. So if you want this Java, because this is going to be necessary for all the users, so what mainly I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this. I'm going to, okay, what I'll do is I'll just copy this file JDK to somewhere here, local. Okay, Okay, here you see permission denied. So what I'm going to do is sudo cp jdk file to user local file. Okay, I don't know if you have created a sudo for this. Okay, what is here is I have not created the sudo account for HD user. Okay, just let me create that. Let me stop this video for a second and let me create, because it's going to be unnecessarily. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do is going to log in as a super user. Okay, here it is. Now you see I'm logged in as a root. Okay, so I'm going to be that so I'm copying that file home hd user downloads and this file to user local. Okay, user cd user local, and if you see, this is here now. Okay, so now because I have just logged in as root and I have now all the permissions to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this file again here. Okay, here we go. So if you see jdk 1.6.0, okay, this is installed here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just setting some path and class path for all the users in the system. Okay, so if you see this, so here this is the path for our Java home, or you call it JDK home. Okay, and what I'm going to set this, open another terminal. Now so go to super user. Okay, SDUSCL. Okay, go to etc dot profile. Okay, here if I set the path, then it's going to affect the whole system and all the users. Okay, so what I'm going to just edit this file. Okay, and add export Java home equal to, okay, user local jdk 1.6.0, let's go 45. So this is going to be my Java home. Okay, and also I'm going to change the path variable. Okay, path, here I can use the Java home / bin. and also I can set the class path here. Java home lib, you just see that here, cd lib. Okay, so I'm going to use this tools.jar. Okay, and dt jar mostly I need. Live dt dot jar and okay, sorry, Java home lib tools dot jar. Okay, so now you see I have set up the Java home, I have set the path, and I have set up the class path to these two jar files. Okay, I am done here. So save this file. Okay, and what I'm going to do is just relog in. Okay, just if I relog in, this will take effect. Okay, just I'm going to log out as the user. Okay, and just relog in. Okay, I can just check whether this my Java home has been set or not. You see it is set, and if I path, I can set whether it has been set or not. Okay, just path. If you see that, you see my path has been added, and also echo class path. You see dt jar, this is dt jar and tools jar, both are in place. Okay, I'm done here. So just to test whether Java is installed properly or not. Okay, just I have logged in as SD user. Okay, Java C, Java, just Java version. Okay, see here, this is 1.6.45 build. Okay, this is the one which I installed. Okay, and Java C, it's running. This is the compiler for Java, and we are ready to go. See, this is from this position it is running. Okay, now we are ready to go and for the next video, but I'll stop here in this video. This video shows just to recap how to install Java on CentOS. Okay, here I have downloaded Java from Oracle, and just I downloaded the bin file, I ran it, and what I did is I set the Java home environment variable, and I set the path, and I set the class path. Okay, that's all, and for now, and thanks for watching, and we'll be meeting in the next video again. Thank you.